Rook.
Nasaan yung other rook? Rook dito. Knight.
Knight. Pati sa akin ayusin mo, honey.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Queen.
Queen.
King.
King. Pawns. Pawns. Pawn tawag dyan. Eh marami. Pawns.
Come na.
Ayusin mo na yung akin. Yo. It. Mama. Hindi totoo inahulog. Wait lang, hindi pa ako nakakatira. Oh. Kain. Kain ikaw. Ako naman.
Get the two bodies and to turn them into bread.
Ikaw. Kain si Roro.
Three. For my king and queen.
Ayusin mo na falling. Ako na. Kakainin ko na to. Kain ang knight mo. Mama na. Okay.
Okay. To come to your house and to eat your horse and go to the this and this. I got to buy.
Mamaya na lang, mamaya na. Hindi ako makapag-isip.